right? Alright, so what's good, YouTube? It's your man, the son of some man.
Who's my son? Who's my son?
And I'm back with another video. What's going on, guys? How you doing? I just got off of work. Let me take this sweater off real quick. I also got a little quick unboxing before I get into you know, the talks with you guys about what's going on and what's going on in my life and what do I plan to do with the channel, and how do I make the, you know, how do I plan to make the channel grow. And the support, remember, I always appreciate it. And if you're brand new to the channel and this is your first time watching, thank you. I truly mean it. Thank you for tuning in and checking me out, at least giving me a chance. But hit the subscribe button down below and giving me even more chance, because I promise I won't let you down. Want to thank you guys as always, you know, for tuning in, especially to my loyal subscribers out there. Remember, stay loyal, because you guys are the most loyal subscribers on YouTube. I might sound a little down and like you're not, you know, excited enough, and not excited, you know, to where I'm usually at, but I'm not gonna lie, I'm tired, bro. Getting up at 5 o'clock in the morning, well, getting up at 4:55 every day, and you know, and it's just something different. I mean, like, don't get me wrong, I've worked before in my life. I've actually done, you know, harder work than you know what, we'll get into that after we get to this unboxing. Oh, that was fast. All right, so guys, we got a sneaker that I don't know, I did a review on it before, and I don't know if you guys know what I'm talking about. If you guys, you know, been to the channel for a while and watching, like I said, thank you so much, appreciate you. You guys probably know that I'm not really a fan of this sneaker, but I did win it at freaking 3 o'clock in the morning. It was the easiest sneaker cop, I think, of 2018. So enough chatting, let's get into the box. We got the knife. Remember, we cannot cut ourselves because this is sharp as hell. I should take this to work. Also, guys, I want to talk about my job too. They also have an Instagram, and I'm gonna try and talk the bigger bosses up into because you know what, I'll get into that in a second. Let's finish, you know, looking at the shoes. I'm sorry, I'm just a little bit excited about the job and this, you know, and the opportunity it's gonna bring for, you know, not only my family, but my family on the opposite side of this camera, which is you guys. So guys, here we have it. Supposedly the dopest Yeezy that dropped in 2018. So, well, it was considered one of the dopest ones. Remember, we need the box. The box, you gotta respect the box, because guess why? It takes care of your shoes. It gets your shoes to your house. Because without that box, what are you gonna put it in? I say this 100 times. I say this every time I open a box, but I don't really open a box that much. Anyway, guys, as you know, I only rock 700s out of the Adidas. I've told all you guys, if you guys been here with me from the beginning, I told all you guys that I would never rock Yeezys. 350s I would never rock. They are not my style at all. I do not like them one bit. I will review them because I know some of you guys out there like them, and you know, the channel is just not all about me. It's about you guys too, and what you guys like, and me trying to, you know, work that kind of content in for you guys, you know what I mean? But anyway, let's get into the box. Most of you guys, like I said, probably know exactly what this is, but this is the Yeezy 700 V2 in the static colorway. Now today, I actually wore my Wave Runners to work, and yesterday I wore my Nike Yeezys to work. But that's because I was just going in for the, you know, the little interview and whatnot. Anyway, yeah, I picked these up on Yeezy Supply. My first time ever copping anything off that website. And like I said before, this was the most easiest cop of 2018. The way the transaction went through, so smooth, bro. I didn't think I was gonna get this pair because this pair was highly sought after, and like I said, I really didn't think I was gonna get it, but I did get it. They were on my side. At least I won something instead of freaking losing every time on the sneakers app. Nike, I still love you. You know I do. You are my baby. Jordan, you too. But anyway, guys, yeah, that's what we picked up. It's a size 11. I am looking to get rid of this pair because, like I said, I don't know. I didn't put it on feet yet, but these are my size, so maybe I can put it on feet. Because I did review the sneaker. If you haven't seen that review, you could click the link at the top of the screen just to check it out real quick. But when I reviewed it, I didn't like it. I just didn't like I said, the overall shape was kind of the same of the, you know, the Wave Runner and the Mauve and whatnot. But I don't know. There's just something about this pattern, this, you know, this material. The material is good, you know what I mean? It's just something about it that I don't like. I can't explain it, but there's just something about it that I don't like. But there's plenty of things that I do like, you know, like the outsole, the sole itself, and the, you know, the leather. The leather is actually really nice, pretty, you know, pretty premium. But other than that, like, I don't know, man. Like I said, maybe I got to put it on foot, because the Wave Runner I wasn't too crazy about either until, boom, I put it on my foot, and boom, like, I literally can't get this sneaker off my foot. I'm not even kidding. And I demoed my son's room in the Wave Runners just because I got a little scratch on him. I was like, you know what, screw this, I'll get another pair. But anyway, guys, 700. Let me know down in the comment section if you're still looking to pick this up. It is a size 11. I might be getting rid of it. I might not be getting rid of it. You know, who knows. But anyway, guys, what I wanted to bring to your attention was the opportunity that I got. You know, it is from my brother-in-law, my wife's, you know, brother, which he's my brother. I love him to death. Tom, you know, if you're watching, which you're probably not, you're too busy, or you really are a true inspiration, bro, to me. Like, I swear to God. Yeah, like I told you before on the phone today, I told you, you are a man that everybody should want to be. Like, I'm not even playing with you. It's not because I love you or nothing. Like I told you before, it's the God honest truth. And you know, that's all I'm gonna say about you, because you know, you truly proud of you, bro. You're doing your thing, and now you're allowing me to come and do my thing, and I will never be able to repay you back, bro. But I want to show you that I'm gonna be real about this job, because this job, I love it. You know, it's at Hudson County Motors, Hudson Motor Counties, something like that. But it has to do with like Ford and Volvo. I mean, the parts department is crazy. There's so many parts. But like I said, it's really not that hard. I picked up on it already, bro. Like, seriously, like, I think personally, if I went there and, you know, just did the job I was supposed to do, that I could do it. My friend Beams, my friend John, I don't know if you guys probably never seen him on the channel. Hopefully he's watching. But he was there too. He actually got the job a couple of months, you know, before I did, because I had the twins and whatnot, and I wasn't ready to just jump into a job like that. And because, you know, the babies are a little bit crazy. Now they're grown up, so everything's, you know, pretty copacetic. Everything's good. But yeah, man, that's my you know, that's my plans. And you know, I get up at 5 o'clock in the morning every day, and you know, I feel really good about what I'm doing, supporting my family, you know, in a way that I've never supported them before like that, in a way, you know what I mean? I'm going to be honest with you guys, 100% honest. I've had a job, but it was never a job like this, where it's a major corporation, where got benefits and, you know, the whole 9 yards. Plus, my brother-in-law is the boss of the place. So, I mean, like, I'm not there because of, well, I am there because of him, because obviously I just said that, but I'm not there to look like, you know, oh, my brother-in-law's the boss. I don't gotta do, no, that's not me, bro. I'm ready there, I'm ready to work, I'm ready to, you know, prove myself to not only them, but to me and my family, you know what I'm saying? And my family on the opposite side of that camera. But what's making me really excited about it too is that the channel is going to change dramatically, man. Seriously, I'm gonna try and bring you guys the most earliest reviews. I'm gonna try and keep up. I'm gonna try and, because it takes money to make money, and which I would eventually one day would love to do. Would love to be making money off YouTube. Love doing what I'm doing and making money. That's just a win-win. That's just what everybody should be chasing in their life. And I'm 33 years old, man, and it's crazy that I, you know, finally figured something out. You know what I mean? But I'm glad you guys are here along the way, and I really appreciate you guys, like, deep down inside, like, all you guys that watch my videos every day. Your loyalty means everything to me. If you know me, you know that loyalty is everything to me. Once you are not loyal, you will no longer be in my life, and I will no longer want you to be in my life. And I will no longer beg you to be in my life. Loyalty is really big. Like, it really is. And in 2018, I found a lot of people that swore they were loyal, Because me, if you ever meet me in person, bro, like I'm telling you something and I feel vibes off you, bro, like I can't say this now because I have kids. I wouldn't take my life for you, but bro, like I would damn near make sure nobody was there to ever even harm yours. You know what I mean? And I mean that from the bottom of my heart, man. But guys, I want to thank you guys so much for tuning in. I truly appreciate it. I'm gonna continue to try to bring the content. Like I told you, my schedule is pretty crazy. I gotta leave here at 5:30. I wake up at 5. Gotta leave here at 5:30. Get to work by around like 6:30, and then I get out around 3. So I got some time to film too. But I'm gonna be freaking hella tired. But I don't care. I want to, continue to do this because I love you guys, man, and I love doing this, and you guys make me happy. I'm in the basement by myself talking to you guys, and I'm happy, and everything that's actually happening right now is good in life. So thank you guys so much for being around, and I truly appreciate it, man. Also, down in the comment section, let me know what you guys think of my situation. Do you think I'm doing the right thing? Do you think I'm doing the wrong thing? Or I just want to hear your opinions. Please just let me know down in the comment section. Also, guys, Hudson, you hear me? Hudson County Motors also has an Instagram, which I'm gonna link in the description down below. Guys, do me a huge favor. Go over there and give them a follow on Instagram. I would truly appreciate it because I wanna try and pitch them something about me trying to grow their social media account, and maybe even do a YouTube for them, because my brother-in-law deserves to be on YouTube. You guys deserve to see who my brother-in-law is. I'm telling you. You ever seen Tony Soprano? Enough said. Until next time, guys, make sure you're loyal, and I'll catch you on the next one. It's your man, the son of some man, and I'm out. Peace, guys.